Hello, Team Achilles Kids, and welcome to your Monday full body cardio workout. Now, we're gonna do 5 different exercises, and we're gonna run through each one once, take some water, and then run through them again. Now, you are always welcome to challenge yourself and do a 3rd set of these exercises if you'd like, but for now, let's just start with 2. Today's exercise, we don't need anything except our water. So make sure you go grab your water before we start, and then I'll meet you back here to start our exercises. Okay, let's get our body warmed up and our heart pumping. We're gonna start with jumping jacks, and we're gonna do 30 of them. So I wanna make sure that you are counting at home. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you're doing them, make sure that you're spreading your legs wide and that your hands are clapping at the top. We don't want to sacrifice form here. If you're feeling good, go ahead and go a little faster. Nice job, keep going, 10 more. You got it. 5 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we should be feeling good and feeling warm. I don't know about you, but I'm already getting a little out of breath. So we're gonna move into our next exercise, which is a burpee. Burpees are a lot of fun, but a lot of people do them incorrectly. So I'm gonna teach you how to do them correctly. We're gonna do them slowly and have good form instead of going quickly and doing them wrong. Now, I want your legs wider than your hips, okay? This is gonna be important for our jump. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna jump up, hands up in the air, and then come down into a squat. So our bottom goes back and our knees stay over our ankles. Our hands are gonna come down. So watch that again. I'm gonna jump, land, and go into my squat. From my squat, I'm gonna walk my feet back, put my hands down on the ground, and walk into a plank. Now notice my feet are still wide, and I have a nice plank where my shoulders and my hips and my heels are all in one line. From here, I'm gonna lower down into a push-up. Now, if that's too difficult, feel free to put your knees on the ground and lower down into your push-up. Then you're gonna push yourself back up, jump your feet towards your hands, keep them nice and wide, and go back up into your start of your burpee. Okay, so let's do that together. Ready? We're gonna jump into a low squat, hands down. Bring your hands forward, put them on the ground, jump back into plank. Lower down into a push-up, push yourself back up, jump your feet back towards your hands. That's one burpee. We're gonna go nice and slowly, okay? I want 5 good ones, not 10 fast ones. So let's try it again. Jump up, land down into your squat, put your hands on the ground, jump your feet back into plank, make sure you're a nice long plank, lower into the push-up, push it back up, jump your feet to your hands, and jump up into your squat. Put your hands down, jump back, put your knees down if you need to, do your push-up, jump your feet back forward. Now you're getting the hang of it. You can go a little faster if you have the movement, but I'd rather you do the exercise correctly than to go quickly. Let's do one more together. Ready? Jump up into your squat, hands down, feet back, push up, feet back up, and you're done. Wow, that was a lot. Awesome job now. Okay, from our burpee, we're gonna do walkouts. And if you've been joining us for yoga, you know what these are. Okay, stand nice and tall, pull your belly in, right? We wanna keep that core activated. We want really nice posture. From here, you're gonna bend over at the hips so that your hands are on the ground. And you're gonna walk your hands forward, right into plank. Notice my knees never bent. At plank, you're gonna hold it for 1 second, and then walk your hands backwards toward your feet. Do not bend your legs, and roll up. Okay, we're gonna do 10 of those. Okay, let's go. Bend down, walk forward into plank, hold it, walk back, roll up, chin to chest. 1, let's do it again. Roll down, walk forward into plank. Make sure your shoulders are over your wrists. Walk your hands back to your feet. Roll up. Can you tuck your chin in while you roll up? Let's keep going. 3. We're working our core, our back, and we're stretching our legs here. 4. Roll up. 5. Now, can we pick it up a little? See if these last ones we can do a little faster, but I do not want you to have bad form. So if you start to go too fast and your form gets all weird, then I want you to slow down. It's more important to do the exercise correctly than to do it quickly. 3 left. I'm going to pick it up a little. 2 more. Walk back, roll up. Last one, make it your best one yet. Excellent. And we're back into standing. Really nice job on those. Okay, after our walkouts, we're gonna do glute bridge. Now this one requires that you go down on the floor. So I want you to lie on your back. Your hands and your palms are facing down. Now your knees are hip width apart. That means your feet and your knees are hip widths. They're not wide out and they're not touching each other. And you're gonna walk your feet back until you can touch your heels with your fingers. We don't want our feet wide out and we don't want them up against our bottom. So walk them just until you can touch. Then we're gonna push our back against the floor so that we're activating our core here. Pull your belly button in, push your back against the core, and I want you to pick up from your hips and your belly button. So we're gonna go up and down, just like that. As you go up, I want you to think about squeezing your tush and holding your muscles in your stomach nice and tight. Keep going. 4, 5. Oh, I have to close my eyes. That sun's so bright. This is a nice part about working out outside. Get a lot of sun. 6. Take your time. Make sure you're squeezing that tush. This is how we're going to work out our back and our core. Okay, I think we have 2 more left. We might do 1 extra one, but that's okay. You can close your eyes like I am to work on balance or to keep the sun out. Awesome job. Now, when you come out, I want you to roll over and push yourself out so that we protect that lower back of ours. Now, we're in our very last exercise. This is called a mountain climber, and these are a lot of fun, and we've done these at a few workouts, so you might be used to them. I want you to get into your plank pose. Really nice, strong pose. Don't let your hips sag, and don't let them come too far up. So our shoulders are on top of our wrists, and our hip and our head and our bottom and our feet are all in this really nice, strong line. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our right knee to our right elbow. So you're picking it up off the ground and trying to touch the right elbow. Then put it back. Now do the same with your left. Bring your left knee to your left elbow. Try and touch it. And then put it back. That's 2 mountain climbers. We're gonna do 20 of them. That means 10 on each side. So let's do them nice and slowly. Make sure we don't get our butt up in the air while we're doing these. Keep a nice strong line. So we're gonna go right side, 1, left side, 2, right side, 3, left side, 4, keep counting, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you stay as still as possible while you're doing these? 11, 12, 13, 14. The only thing that should be moving are your knees. 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. Bring your feet forward and let's roll up. And that is the first circuit. So you know what that means. Everybody go take some water. I'll meet you back here for the second round of that circuit. Okay, we got some water, we got a little break. Now let's get back into our second set. So we're gonna do all 5 exercises one more time. Now this time, let's see if we can do all 5 with only a little break between them. This is gonna be a struggle for me, but I think as a team, we can do it. Okay, we're gonna start with our 30 jumping jacks. Are we ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and go faster if you need to. Go slower if you need to, whatever your body needs. Make sure you're jumping out wide and clapping those hands at the top. Can you smile while you're doing this? 10 more. This is a lot of fun. We're getting our body nice and healthy. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Okay. That one definitely gets our heart rate going. So go ahead and take a few breaths here, okay? Because then we're gonna go into burpees. And those burpees are kind of tricky, so let's make sure we have our breath. Now, remember, our burpee is just a jump into a squat, into a plank, into a push-up. We're just putting all of those together, and you can do all those. So now let's put them together. We're gonna do 5, and we're gonna do them slowly so we can work on form. Ready? Take a deep breath. Okay, up, squat, hands down, jump back, push up, jump forward, back in your squat, jump up into your squat, plank, push up, jump forward, jump up. We're on 3. Bring your knees down if you need to do that push up. Jump back, up, squat, plank, push up, jump forward. I think we have 1 more. You can do it. Okay, last one. Jump up in your squat, plank, push up, jump forward, stand up. Wow. High five, team. I don't know about you, but I'm really out of breath. So take a couple breaths here, and when you're ready, we're gonna do our walkouts, okay? So remember, our walkouts are super important, that we're standing nice and straight, and that we tuck our core in, tuck our belly button toward our spine so that we have a nice strong back and a nice strong core. Then you can bend your knees a little, and we're gonna roll down, walk out into plank, hold it, walk your hands back, tuck the chin, roll up. 1. 2. Give me a nice strong plank here. 3. Make sure your shoulders are over your wrists. 4. Can you plant your hands and bring your body a little more forward? 5. 6. These last 4, let's pick it up a little. Don't lose your form though. 7. 8. 9. Last one, you can do it. Hold it here, hold it. Let's hold it for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and then walk back. Nice job. Okay, we only have 2 more left. And I hear somebody's cutting the grass. This is what happens when we work out outside. It's all part of the experience. Now, let's go down on the ground for our glute bridges. Okay, lie back. Remember, your knees should be in line with your hips. We don't want them together, and we don't want them too far out. Your feet, see if you can touch them with your fingers. If you can touch them, you know you're close enough. Palms down. Push your lower back into the ground and tuck that belly button into your spine so that we're activating our core and squeezing our tush. Okay, ready? And let's lift from our hips. 1, 2, we're gonna do 10 of them. 3, squeeze that tush. 4, keep your belly tucked in. 5, 6, don't let your knees go out wide. 7, we also don't want them to touch like that. We want to make sure we're gonna do 1 extra one so it's perfect. Everything straight. 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Roll to the side. Push yourself up with your opposite arm so we protect our lower back. And then you can stay on the ground because the last thing we're gonna do are our mountain climbers. Team, I don't know about you, but I am sweating. This is a great workout. Now, this is our last exercise. Can you do it as hard as you can? Can you give everything? Because after this, you're done. So let's make sure we're doing our best, okay? So you can start in your tabletop and then just walk back into our plank. Give me a nice plank. We know plank. Shoulders over wrists. One long line from the top of our head to our heels, okay? Don't let your hips go up and don't let them sink down. Get a nice strong plank here. And then we're gonna go right leg, right knee, left leg, right knee. 3, 4, 5, 6. Can you go even faster? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Can you do it like you're running? 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I think I counted wrong on one, but that's okay. Walk yourselves up. We did it, team. We completed Monday's workout. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling energized. I'm ready to tackle the day. I hope you are too. I cannot wait to see you back here. And don't forget, drink your water. I'll see you tomorrow.